to day 3 of my weight loss journey. I'm going to measure my waist. It's just under 28, so not much difference. And hips are just under 38. So just about the same as when I started this 3 days ago. Let's see what the scale says. $134, so about half a pound lighter than yesterday. Yesterday was 134.5. So gradually decreasing since the beginning. And I walked for 15 minutes today, and then I jogged for I walked for 5 minutes, and then I jogged for 15 minutes straight. And then I walked for a cool down. So I did exercise today. I did not eat as many leafy greens as I did yesterday. I think I would be lighter if I had. So tomorrow I'm going to eat greens all day long. And again, I've not been decreasing my caloric intake. I'm keeping it pretty high. I'm just eating healthy, non-fattening food. Again, you can eat as much as you want if you're eating fruits and greens and, vegetables, nuts and seeds. When I say fruit, I'm also referring to nuts and seeds because nuts and seeds are the fruit bodies of the plant. So when I say fruit, I'm also referring to nuts and seeds. And then, of course, plenty of water. Usually right when I wake up in the morning, I try to make myself a big glass of water, and I squeeze some lemon juice in there or any kind of citrus juice, crush up some strawberries, any kind of fruit, and you can flavor your water to make it a little more tastier. So tomorrow I'm going to measure myself again and see where I'm at. Thank you for watching.